Hello, good morning. How are you? I hope you find good. So today we have a new grammar lesson. Okay, it's talking about possessive and infinitive. But firstly, let me share my screen. Yes, exactly. So here that's in possessive and indefinite. Okay, I think that's in a perfect lesson. So easy lesson. Um, we can do it here. Okay, so now that's in possessive and indefinite. Possessive nouns, okay, or the possessive pronoun, I mean, this of course, as you know, that's in my, your, his, her, as, whether. Okay, all of these pronoun or singular pronoun or possessive pronoun. Okay, of course, we have two kinds of possessive. We have two kinds of possessive. The first kind of possessive is used before nouns, and then the second one is used alone. Of course, you know that in he is mine or this book is mine. So mine here can at the end of the sentence, so it's in used alone. But my, your, his, her, it's our, their, all of these pronouns, okay, that's used before the noun. Okay. So after that, here is the common indefinite pronouns. Okay, as you see now, that's in here. That's in singular and plural. Of course, if you notice that's in singular, that's in one or another, anybody. So here that's in anybody, body, anyone, anything, either, each, everybody. Of course, they are singular, and everyone, everything, all of these singular. What about the plural? Of course, the plural, look at the meaning here. That's in both. Of course, both plural. Few, plural. Many, plural also. Others, several. All of these are plural. Okay, are plural. So I think let's try to answer the next question or next exercise. Okay, so here lesson we have underlined the correct pronoun in parentheses. In the blank, identify possessive. Okay, that's or indefinite. So here, that's the first example now. That's in most and one of the greatest Chinese explorers was Changqing. Okay, so here that's in most of the greatest Chinese or one of the greatest Chinese. Of course, one, because he asked you to underline the correct pronoun. The correct pronoun. Of course, it's difficult to choose most of the greatest, most of the greatest, of course not. So one of the greatest Chinese, that's an indefinite, not possessive. Okay, so here again, so that's in number one. Change Qin lived during the century before Christ in China and was the officer in army, in its army or in others' army. Of course, in its army. In its army. Okay, after that, number two here. Number two here. Does yours or has explorations help the hand instead to flourish? Okay, your explanations or his explanations? Okay, yeah. Yours explanations, of course not. We can say his or his exploration. His explorations that help the hand dynasty to flourish. After that, and the last one, that's in its or some emperor at the time. So here that's in its emperor or some emperor. Of course, that's in its emperor all the time. To why or root he. So here that's in sent him on many missions. Okay, I'm number three now. So here that's in its emperor. Its emperor. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, I hope okay this lesson is gonna be easy for you. Okay, of course, We have a lot of declaration tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you so much, dears. Thank you. Bye bye.